Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're embarking on quite a crucial journey into a topic that really touches all of us, the global fight against cancer. You've provided us with some truly compelling sources, and our mission today is to distill the most important insights, maybe some surprising facts, to make sure you're exceptionally well-informed on Russia's unique role in cancer innovation.
Indeed, it's an absolutely vital area of research. And, often the most significant breakthroughs, they can emerge from places you might not immediately expect. We'll be connecting the dots between, well, pioneering scientific institutions, some cutting-edge therapies, and, of course, the profound human impact these discoveries are having. Get ready for some genuine aha moments, I think.
Okay, let's unpack this then. Our material highlights that Russia possesses a deep-rooted history in medical research. This isn't just a recent thing, right?
Yeah. That's spot on. Institutions like the N. Block and Cancer Research Center and the Russian Academy of Sciences, they're specifically highlighted. They've been pillars in oncology for a long time. This established scientific infrastructure is really the bedrock, the foundation for their continuous contributions to understanding and treating cancer.
Right, that makes sense. So with that historical context in mind, let's explore the present. What are the sort of bleeding-edge areas Russian scientists are focusing on right now?
Well, they're certainly pushing the envelope, some highly innovative approaches. The sources seem to reveal a strong emphasis on, I'd say, three key areas. First, you have targeted therapies. These are about, as you know, pinpointing cancer cells with extreme precision. The aim is to minimize that collateral damage to healthy tissue.
Okay, precision medicine makes sense.
Exactly. Then there's nanotechnology. They're exploring how microscopic particles can deliver treatments directly to the tumors. This could significantly boost efficacy while, potentially slashing those difficult side effects.
Nanotechnology delivery, interesting. And the third?
And finally, robust genetic research, identifying the specific mutations, the drivers behind the cancer. This allows for truly personalized, tailored treatment strategies.
That level of precision, it sounds revolutionary. Are the sources indicating these therapies, are they already widely adopted in Russia, or still mostly in the research phase? And, maybe more importantly, what specific breakthroughs or promising innovations stand out that are actually moving closer to patient impact?
That's a great question about the pipeline. It's a bit of a mix, actually. While a lot is still in advanced research, some innovations are definitely showing incredibly promising clinical results. Two exciting developments prominently featured are, first, photodynamic therapy. This uses light-sensitive compounds to non-invasively destroy cancer cells.
Light-sensitive compounds.
And second, oncolytic viruses. This is a fascinating approach. It engineers specific viruses to infect and selectively kill cancer cells while leaving the healthy ones untouched.
Wow, using viruses against cancer.
Precisely. And what I found particularly compelling was a specific example from 2023. A team at Moscow State University. They developed a new compound showing real promise in treating aggressive breast cancer. Early clinical trials are ongoing, and the results are genuinely encouraging. It's quite an elegant solution, really, turning a threat into a potential cure.
It sounds incredibly promising, definitely. Yeah. But let's talk about the reality on the ground. Even with these advances, I imagine there must be significant hurdles. What challenges do Russian researchers face, and how do they navigate those in the global context?
You've hit on a crucial point there. The sources do indicate Russian researchers grapple with challenges, things like, limited funding, obviously the impact of international sanctions, and also difficulties in fully accessing global clinical trial networks. That's a big one.
Right, so those are pretty major obstacles.
They are. However, what's truly insightful here, and maybe a bit counterintuitive, is how Russia's specific challenges, like sanctions, for instance, might be inadvertently driving innovation in certain niches. It seems to be forcing them in some ways to develop homegrown solutions or perhaps focus on frontier technologies, like those oncolytic viruses we mentioned, where global expertise is maybe still nascent and collaboration lines are perhaps less rigid.
So necessity becoming the mother of invention in a way.
Kind of, yes. It's a compelling case study of scientific resilience shaping a unique research trajectory. And despite these hurdles, collaboration does continue. Russian scientists frequently co-author studies, they share data with European and Asian partners. It really underscores that scientific progress often finds ways to transcend geopolitical borders, especially in health.
That's a fascinating perspective. Challenges spurring unexpected paths.
Okay, so let's shift focus slightly. As we look at these advanced frontiers in cancer, it's also a powerful reminder, isn't it, of the vast spectrum of health challenges the global medical community is tackling. Our sources even gave us a glimpse into some other conditions demanding medical attention worldwide.
Indeed. And while we've deep dived into cancer innovation today, it's important to remember the sheer breadth of human health conditions. The things that medical science addresses every single day. Beyond complex conditions like cancer, the medical landscape also includes managing more, well, common ailments, things like chickenpox, measles, mumps, rubella, hepatitis, jaundice, even things like dengue fever, malaria, typhoid, cholera. Then you have conditions like leprosy, psoriasis, eczema, cellulitis, scabies, ringworm, warts, vitiligo, contact dermatitis, and Kurtz pieris. It really underscores the vast and varied work of healthcare professionals and researchers globally. It puts the specific focus on cancer into that broader context. Absolutely. A good reminder of the scale. So bringing it back to cancer, ultimately, all this groundbreaking research we've discussed, it's about improving human lives.
What's the direct impact on patients that we see highlighted in our sources? What's the tangible benefit?
Right. The most significant human impact noted is the increasing adoption of personalized medicine within Russian hospitals. This really means a fundamental shift away from those one-size-fits-all treatments towards therapies precisely tailored to each individual's unique genetic profile and the specific characteristics of their tumor. This tailored approach is directly improving outcomes. It's offering renewed hope to thousands of patients, which, as you said, is the ultimate goal of all this innovation, isn't it?
What a deep dive into the frontiers of cancer innovation. It's clear that Russia's contributions are, well, a significant and evolving piece of the global mosaic of scientific discovery. It demonstrates how dedication, and perhaps even unique challenges, can really push the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. Absolutely. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, every discovery, truly, no matter where it originates, it brings us closer to a future where cancer isn't necessarily an inevitable fate, but a manageable, treatable condition. It raises an important question, I think, for you to consider. How might the unique pressures and adaptations we've seen in, say, one country's scientific community offer lessons for accelerating breakthroughs in other critical areas of global health? Are there transferable strategies, perhaps?
That's definitely something for you to mull over.
Oh.
We hope this deep dive has given you a shortcut to being well-informed and maybe sparked your curiosity even further. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.